Good morning. Have a good day, students. Today I am going to teach you on very important topic in mean value theorem, that is Cauchy mean value theorem. Okay, we already completed Rolle's and Lagrange's. Now today I will teach you Cauchy mean value theorem. Already I proved Cauchy mean value theorem in previous videos. Okay, today I will give an example about Cauchy mean value theorem. Right? First I will explain what is the Cauchy mean value theorem. Then after I will give the one example to you. Right? Right. See. Cauchy mean value theorem. It is also called a generalized mean value theorem. Generalized mean value theorem. Okay? Fine. First I will tell the statement. The functions f of x, comma g of x are mapping from closed interval a comma b to R. Bit number 1, both f of x comma g of x are continuous on closed interval a comma b. Second point, f of x comma g of x are derivable on open interval a comma b. Third point, g dash of x not equal to 0, then there exists at least one element C belongs to closed interval a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. Okay, this is the statement of the Cauchy's mean value theorem, right? It is the extension of the Lagrange's mean value theorem, right? Fine. Now I will give an example to you. Okay, fine. Okay, now I will give an example to you, right? Example number 1. verify Cauchy mean value theorem of f of x is equal to root x, comma g of x is equal to 1 by root x on closed interval a comma b. Okay? Fine. See you. Solution. Given f of x is equal to root x, g of x is equal to 1 by root x on closed interval a comma b. Fine. First I will show to you, first condition, continuous. Is it continuous or not? We have to find out. Okay? In between a and b, so many numbers are there. What are those? A plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, so many numbers up to b. Right or not? Okay. You apply in place of x here or here. Are you getting infinity? No. Okay. So, if you are not getting infinity, so the given functions or motion should be what? Continuous. This implies f of x, comma g of x are continuous on closed interval a comma b, because we are not getting infinity. Not getting infinity. When apply a comma b and between values in place of x. Understand? Between values means what? A plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3. So many numbers are there. Right? Fine. Bit number 1 is over. Second bit, what you have to prove? Derivable. Right. Now, f of x is equal to root x. G of x is equal to 1 by root x. Is it? Okay. F dash of x is equal to how much? What is the derivative of root x? Root x means what? How you are writing root x? X to the power 1 by 2. है ना? So x to the power n formula. What is the formula? X to the power n means how much? N into x to the power n minus 1. X to the power half minus 1. Understand or not? The derivative of this. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 2. X to the power how much? Minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus coming down. It will be positive. So how much you are getting? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Understand? Comma. G dash of x is equal to how much? To this one. How you are writing? See here. 1 by root x. How you are writing? 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. है ना? ऊपर गए तो क्या होता? माइनस 1 by 2. माइनस 1 by 2. सो n बोलो तो माइनस 1 by 2. तो बोलो माइनस 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Understand or not? So this is equal to minus 1 by 2. Bring this one to down. X to the power. ये कितना है? 2 1 जा 2. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. सो -3 जो डाउन में आता तो क्या होता, प्लस हो जाता, 3/2 है ना. दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच यू गॉट, -1/2 into x to the power 3/2. Have you understand? Fine. So -1/2 x to the power 3/2. Understand or not? Fine. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू कितना, क्या क्या लेंगे, a एंड b को छोड़ के उसके बीच में कौन सा नंबर है, a+1 a+2, वो नंबर अप्लाई करो. Are you getting infinity? No, we are not getting infinity. Therefore, f of x, g of x are what? Derivable on open interval a comma b. Understand? And also g dash of x not equal to 0, है ना. Okay, fine. Then next we have to find c value. Since f of x is equal to root x, comma g of x is equal to 1 by root x. Is it or not? This implies you got that f dash of x is equal to how much? 1 by 2 root x. And g dash of x is equal to, you got that, -1 by 2 x to the power 3/2. Okay? Okay. For all c belongs to closed interval a comma b. I have taken one element c, right? I will substitute here. This implies f dash of c is equal to how much? 2 root c. And g dash of c is equal to -1 by 2 c to the power 3/2. Understand or not? Okay, fine. Now I will take, what is that? F dash of c by g dash of c. It is the formula, right or not? F of b minus f of a by g of b minus, what is that? G of a. This implies f dash of c how much? 2 root c -1 by 2 c to the power 3/2. Understand or not? This is equal to f of b. F of x is equal to how much? Root x. In place of x you are putting how much? b. So what you are getting? Root b. Understand? Minus f of a, root a, by g of b, g of x 1 by root x, 1 by root b minus 1 by root a. Understand or not? Fine. This implies, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये डाउन में है ना, ये ऊपर चला जाता, 2 to फर्स्ट कैंसिल, है ना. तो माइनस c to the power 3/2 बाई, ये रूट सी है ना, रूट सी बोले तो क्या है, c का पावर 1/2. फैक्ट इज इक्वल टू, यहां पे देखो यहाँ का एलसीएम क्या है, रूट बी इंटू रूट ए. सर रूट ए यहाँ पे आता कि नहीं, रूट बी है, और ऊपर क्या है, रूट बी माइनस रूट ए. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? ओके फाइन. दिस इंप्लाइज बेसिस ऑफ सेम पावर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, क्योंकि रेसिप्रोकल में है, मल्टीप्लाई होता चाहे ऐड होता, रेसिप्रोकल में डिवीजन में रहता तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होता. बोलो 3/2 -1/2 इज इक्वल, ये ऊपर चला जाता, ये, हाँ, तो बोलो रूट बी इंटू रूट ए बोलो तो रूट ए बी, है ना। यहाँ पे बच्चा रूट बी माइनस रूट ए बाय, यहाँ पे माइनस कॉमन निकालता है, क्या होता, प्लस माइनस होता, माइनस प्लस हो जाता है ना। फाइन, रूट बी माइनस रूट ए, रूट बी माइनस रूट ए गेट क्या आंसर, ये माइनस माइनस आंसर क्या आंसर है ना। दिस इंप्लाइज व्हाट यू गॉट, सी देखो एलसीएम हाउ मच 2 है, 3 माइनस 1 है ना। हाँ, यस यस, सर रूट ए बी, इज इट और नॉट, ओके फाइन। यहां पे लिख रहा हूं 3 माइनस 1 कितना है, 2 है, 2/2, 3 पावर 2/2 गेट कैंसल, इज इक्वल टू कितना है, रूट ए बी। सो सी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच यू गॉट, रूट ए बी जो एलिमेंट है ना, किस किस के बीच में रहता, ए एंड बी के बीच में रहता, अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, राइट। सो बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल a comma b, condition satisfied, right or not, therefore f of x comma g of x are satisfies Cauchy's mean value theorem. Have you understand?